This is about Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam first experience of revelation when he was frightened. Went home, and you know that Huzur knows the whole story. And Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu anha took him to her cousin Hazrat Waraqa Bin Naufil. And when he heard the whole experience, he said, this man is going to be a prophet. His question is, how come he becomes so certain and sure that Muhammad is going to be prophet?
He in fact was a very learned man, and he knew the previous prophets and what morals and attitudes in life they had. So when he heard about Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he knew that most certainly his character is that of a prophet. So Allah would never let him destroy. That is in a nutshell the answer to this question, please.